Hey folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you. This is number 929, and it's a little soprano scale instrument made of shop scraps. And when I make these, they go out to our email list of people waiting for them, and I'm ready for this one to leave the nest. The back and sides here are some beautiful white oak, Oregon white oak, scraps from a log from Larry's property. And the top is some curly Orford cedar from the Oregon coast. And then we've got more white oak here and more Orford cedar here. And then we've got a little bit of walnut and cherry as trim. It's got geared tuners, bone nut and saddle, fluorocarbon strings, flat fretboard. It's got strap buttons on it. These are really just fun to play. I like the voice of this one. It's oaky. And for such a little one with some kind of, usually bright sounding woods, this one sounds really balanced and polite. It's nice. I'm having fun with it. So yeah, this is going out to the email list today. This is number 929. Cheers.